Hi guys! Who's excited about the holiday season? I know I am, and I cannot wait to start decorating the house and make it look all pretty and ready for the holidays. I'm actually traveling away myself, so I have some great recipes for you planned, so you won't miss me for the time I'm away. But I'm going to the real winter wonderland. I'm going to see my family in Finland, and I wanted to ask you whether you want to see some photos or videos of the winter Finland. So let me know in the comments if you want to see some of that. Also today I have a little announcement for you. Some of you might already know that my friend AB from Smoking and Grilling with AB and myself have our own live show called Culinary Differences, and we've had 2 shows already. We had our first show and then we had a Thanksgiving special, and now we have something really great prepared for you just before the holidays. We have a Christmas special coming, and it's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be fun. We are going to share 4 different dessert recipes with you, and you will have so many great ideas to choose from for your holiday table. So the show is going to be on 21st of December, and here you can find all the details on the times. Also, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this, but if, then I'm gonna link here the direct link to save the date for the show. Or if you cannot see it here now, then check the description box and I will also link it there. So you can go through the link and save the date and join us for the fun Christmas special. And if you're wondering why am I talking about it right now, well, because this delicious no-bake cheesecake is something that I will be also making on the live show and showing you live how to make. It's a really simple and fast to make dessert. It's delicious. I absolutely love it. Cameraman absolutely loves it, and I make it whenever I feel like we want something sweet after our lunch or dinner, but I don't have a time, or I just don't feel like spending hours making something. So it's really fast. You can make it in about 15 minutes and it's ready. I'm making mine with yogurt, but you can also use cream cheese instead. And also I'm making a delicious cherry topping for the cheesecake. First you want to crush the cookies, and I'm gonna do that in my pestle and mortar because, well, I'm just gonna try whether it works with it as well, but you can use a blender or just crush them in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. You just want to crush the cookies slightly, so if you have some bigger pieces in there, that's not a problem. You can leave it like that. It doesn't have to be a really fine crumb, but if you want, you can of course make it really fine. And I'm gonna directly start filling in my first dessert glass with the cookies, because it depends on the dessert glass that you use how much you will need. So I'm just gonna add in the cookies that I've already crushed. And you can see I have a layer of the cookie crumb already, but I like a little bit more. So I'm gonna crush another 2 cookies and then it's gonna be enough for this glass. Then I have some natural flavored yogurt here in the bowl. You could use also cream cheese, but I like to use yogurt for this just because I like the taste of it, and it's a lower calorie version. So I'm gonna add in about a teaspoonful of vanilla paste, and also I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you just shortly want to mix it so that it's all well combined. It doesn't take too long. And then I also whipped some cream already. So I have the cream ready. It's whipped until stiff peaks, and I'm gonna add in half, mix it in. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the cream and also fold in the rest of the cream. Once you've finished folding it in, so it's all nicely mixed in, you want to just take a taste test, so taste whether it has enough sugar, and then add in some sugar if you think it needs it. But keep in mind that cookies are, or the cookie crumb is really sweet, and also the topping, the berry topping will be sweet, so you don't need the filling or the cream to be too sweet. Then we just want to bring back our glasses with the cookie crumb and start adding the cream on top. And now you want to pop them in the fridge for the time you're making the berry topping. For the berry topping, you will need some frozen cherries and also some sugar, and I'm also adding in 1 cinnamon stick just to give it that Christmas kind of flavor. First, you want to melt the cherries, so defrost the cherries over on medium heat. Once the cherries have defrosted, you want to remove the cherries, but leave the liquid in the saucepan. So just first defrost the cherries. You will see when they're nice and soft. Now they're really icy and hard. So once they're nice and soft, you want to remove the cherries. So now if I check like this, the cherries are really soft, so they have defrosted. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove the cherries, but only the cherries, and I'm gonna reduce the liquid into a syrup. So now the only thing that I have in here is the liquid and, well, the cinnamon stick. So now I'm just gonna heat it over medium heat until it thickens up a little bit and becomes really syrupy. It's been just a couple of minutes, but because it's all looking really syrupy already, I'm gonna remove it from heat and gonna continue constructing my no-bake cheesecakes. Now we have everything ready, and we just want to add the cherries on top. And then the final touch is the syrup, so you just want to add a little bit of the syrup on top. So that was really simple and fast to make. And if you doubt it, so if you think that no, it's complicated, it's gonna take me some time, then believe me, it's really fast to make and it's really delicious. Also, again, just a quick reminder about the live show. So here are the times and dates for you if you want to join. and the link is down below in the description box. In the live show, I'm gonna be making this no-bake cheesecake, showing you how to put it all together live, and you can also ask me some questions in the meantime. I'm also going to be making some fun Christmas cupcakes, and AB is going to make something delicious as well. He's planned a Christmas cobbler and also some cookies. I'm really excited about the live show and I'm hoping to see you there. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then you can find the subscribe button over here. You can subscribe, and if you tap the bell, then you won't miss any of the new recipes. I have some great Christmas recipes coming in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.